SAP is the world leader in enterprise software. With ANF, we get scalability and flexibility, which is important for businesses to run and have a faster time to market for their products. With ANF, we are able to deploy environments almost 30 to 40% faster. We are able to reduce the total amount of outages by 80% because of the stability that ANF provides. Customers are looking for flexibility, stability, and a better TCO. NetApp is the market leader there.
KONE Services is the IT systems hub in North America for close to 100% of the bottling business.
Our strategy was simple: run fewer number of nodes, which mean lower runtime cost for our big SAP investment.
We have delivered millions of savings, but also millions of growth based on the Azure NetApp environment.
Most traditional reservoir engineers might get through one run a day. I can now run hundreds of runs a day.
Azure NetApp Files was a lifesaver here. We have seen amazing performance increases. From simulations that took over a month, now are taking a few hours.
Digitalization is key to delivering our commitment of a low-carbon energy future.
As the world's largest HVAC, plumbing, and lighting supplier, we have about 1,400 locations throughout the US with nearly 26,000 employees. With Azure NetApp Files and Windows Virtual Desktop, we moved to a remote workforce over the course of a weekend. Azure NetApp Files has made us more resilient and ready for anything.